Well, howdy, and welcome back. Today, we're going to show you how I personally play what I call the Titanic medley, which is Hymn to the Sea and My Heart Will Go On, which are often played together. Of course, this is off of the movie Titanic, but I'll start out by playing it here with the track, so you'll get an idea of what you'll learn in today's video. And let me see here, just for argument's sake, we're going to play this at about an 88 beats per minute. We're going to be using the arpeggio that I taught in video 1, and also we're going to be using these two positions, which is this main one here. Whoop, get things started here, but this being your target note, your harmony note is 2 above, and then your thumb goes right below like that to bring it into your target, which this is one you can play the whole scale with. And then the second position we'll be using is this one, where you just move your thumb up and down and keep your finger up here for your harmony. Now, like I say, this is all explained in video 1, and this whole thing is played basically with those two positions. And so let's get right into it, starting right here with this position. Here we go. Heart of the Ocean starts out like this. I mean, Hymn to the Sea, rather. I guess Heart of the Ocean was that necklace thing the old lady had, but this is Hymn to the Sea. Now see, all that is played just right here in this spot. You don't even have to move. I'll play that just a little bit slower for you. Now position all the way up and down here, same position. Whoops, sorry. Now that is Heart of the Ocean. I mean, hymn to the sea. I don't know why I'm thinking about that big diamond. I guess I could use the money. Who couldn't? Then the second part of this is the tune My Heart Will Go On. And it's played like this. Pretty simple. Two, three, four. Now I just put that in there to kind of bring everything back around full circle. That's kind of a nice little run for you to learn anyway. Same number one position. Okay, so we'll go through the whole thing together. A little more up to speed here. Two, three, four. Okay, now as far as the chords go, once again I'm using this little arpeggio that I showed you how to do on the first video. If you can learn this thing, this is nice. This fits in a lot of places. The old standard country thing on this is not going to work on this song very well. This arpeggio will fit right in here. Okay, so the chords on this start out with a C, da da da, then G, da 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 da, then F, da da da, da da da, G, C, da repeats, G, F, da da da, G. Now A minor, da 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 da, E minor, da, F, da da, G, da da da, back to C, down to F, then to G. Now that is Hymn of the Sea. That's how you chord that. Now on the second part of it, my heart will go on. The C, da da da, A minor, da da da, D minor, da da da, G, da da da, C, da 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 da, A minor, then G, da da. A minor, da, G, da. Now F, da 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 da, D minor, da da, back to C, da 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 da, whoops, F, da da, no, A minor, da da, sorry, G. So I'll just kind of play it kind of slow here using both of them. Another thing I'd like to mention is a lot of times when I'm coming off of my G chord back into C, I'll use this arpeggio here, and then I'll go up here and hit what they call a B diminished, which acts as a G7. I mean, it really works nice. So my heart will go on. Now here we go. And it fingers just the same, starting here, then up here to B, just like that. So there we are, Titanic medley, Hymn to the Sea, and My Heart Will Go On. Now, if you got something out of this video, if you enjoyed it, why, be sure and hit that like button and the subscribe thing. That helps a lot with the algorithms if you'll subscribe. And share the video around to folks who you think might like it. And we'll see you on the next one.